going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we are at the No Name Nationals. We're actually going into day 2, but I've been focused on helping people work on cars like Mopar Al, getting the carburetor situated on his slag hammer. So today's going to be all fun. I got put out in second round yesterday by none other than Just Mopar Joe. He went on to win the race, and that's how it should be.
And a red light start for Andy. For round number 3 with the Barracuda. 722 dial, he runs 726 out.
Congratulations, man. That was awesome.
I appreciate it.
Dude, the reason why I didn't pull up there was our dial ends wasn't on the boards anymore. And I kept trying to get their attention, you know.
Maybe,
So,
I'd say I lost 200s on my 60 and then 400s down the track.
yeah, after I went red, I was like, I didn't even stay in it.
I tried it. I used it as a time trial. Just
Yeah. Well, how'd it do?
Huh?
You run dead on again?
26.
Yeah.
26 reaction.
Oh no, it was a 58. It was ugly there. YouTube channel. And then Just Mopar Joe. Down on a 722. So Mopar Joe and Tim. 318 will run. The van's going to have a huge head start. Read the paper, have a cup of coffee, walk the dog, and then go. And it's going to be a good finish. Win right goes to Mopar Joe, 724 on a 722.
No Name Nationals bracket champion. The man.
Thank you, everyone.
No, actually all I wanted to do is get a couple of passes. I told her I need the red light, and I told her I need to sleep at the light so I know about where the light is in the van, because I don't race that van. And so trying to find out where the light. And I played a game in my own mind. I said, I'm not going to red light. He's going to have to beat me. And I slept at the light.
That's
I got
what I said. I don't want red light.
So he got me by a 10th and beat me by 200s.
Got to beat my hero. So,
Congratulations.
I appreciate it, man. Yes, sir.
So, what are we going to do today? We are going to have some fun. I was supposed to race John Cope of John Cope's Racing Transmissions with Casper. Well, guess what? He's offered me a ride in Mr. Haney. So I get to drive an F100 Hemi powered at the No Name Nationals. John Cope, tell him what's getting ready to happen.
Well, Haney just made its best pass ever. And in my world, it was about 1185.
Let's see it.
Now, I don't know about 8th mile times because I'm a quarter-mile guy. But it just cut 158.60 and went 755. All day yesterday was 765.
That's dead on.
So she's ready for you. What we're gonna do is Andy's gonna jump in the truck. We're gonna go down the return road and back so he can feel how the truck is. Right. Show him how to shift it, where the line lock is, where the trans brake is. And Andy's going down the track at the No Name Nationals in a Hemi Ford.
F100,
Yeah.
baby. All right. It's gonna happen.
1974 Chevy Nova. F5.3 LS. Twin turbos, claims 1,000 horsepower at the wheel.
So I can't thank John Cope enough for giving me a hand. Let me drive an F100 at the No Name Nationals. Pretty special.
shop truck. At the transmission shop. We put a late model 24 Hemi on it. The first one we had was 465 around the stopping. Then on a loaded motorcycle. We're going to shop 40 days. If it ever looks up, they'll be able to rotate yours on the back. They have a better taxi drive.
Roll your window up.
So I just got done making a run in Mr. Haney. That truck is freaking unbelievable. For it to be a stock motor, I mean, it's pretty impressive. You know, 4,200 pound truck. It's heavier than Casper. So special shout out to John Cope Transmissions. If you're not subscribed to his channel, you need to find this box up here. And I'm going to put a link to his channel because the dude is super awesome. He knows his torque flights and he's been doing it forever. So just a great time here. I got to make a pass in an F100 after all, Hemi powered, so pretty awesome stuff.
Those cars back to Texas have not been through test yet. Please proceed to the big end of the race yet. Transmissions unit Gen brings out their 1966 Ford. It's powered by a third generation Hemi. First.
Uh-oh. Hey.
Got the celebrities here.
Hey. Oh. Hey, no, the celebrity, I already talked to that guy.
We come to,
Bam!
Yeah.
I just noticed something funny.
What's that?
Come to a drag race, and all I see is guys walking around talking to each other, holding cameras.
Yeah.
Or talking to themselves,
Yeah.
holding cameras.
Oh,
Oh, that's
sorry, I
because
don't
you're
have
supposed
my
to be a YouTuber, right? I ain't figured that part out yet.
I ain't figured that part out yet either.
This is the first time I've been videoing, so yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I've been letting everybody else use my phone to film.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to have a cohesive video in the world.
But, you know, the thing about it is, I mean, we've been here, we ain't never got to meet each other, and here we are, all in one spot.
That's all I care about.
Man, it's just awesome.
It is. I mean, there's nothing like it.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's a family reunion that you actually want to go to.
Yeah. First, I want to ask your viewers, Andy, is this hat too big on me? Because everybody says it is.
No, I'm actually jealous because that's old school. I want one.
Oh, it's out of my collection. I got a bunch of them.
Oh, I know you do.
So my first pass, I drove like I channeled my inner grandmother.
Yeah.
And I was nervous in every way.
Yeah.
Bogged it off the line like a madman. And I don't even remember what gear I finished in. I don't know what RPM I hit. Apparently I had my arm hanging out the window the entire time.
Yeah, like I was sitting in line to run behind you, and I was like, man, this is the coolest thing ever. And nobody said nothing, and you just driving Miss Daisy, man. I loved it.
I think we went 869, 84 mile an hour in the end.
Yeah.
So I want to do it again, but
And it literally was like he was taking off from a red light. You know what I'm saying? It was not intentionally fast.
no,
you know?
no, I didn't even give it hardly any
No.
RPM.
So,
I was more scared of the car going into the other guy.
yeah.
Scott Speed Shop in the right way. That's and I love that sticker, as seen on YouTube.
So we just got home from the No Name Nationals, and it was pretty phenomenal. Finally getting to meet all of these channels that I have watched forever, all of the No Name 500 contestants. It was truly an honor getting to meet all of the channels. But the one thing that I want to emphasize is, for me, one of the most important takeaways I had was actually getting to meet my viewers. We actually had viewers that drove up from San Antonio, Texas to Sikeston, Missouri just to watch the No Name Nationals and see us creators do that. So special shout out to the Hink brothers. You guys are super cool. And for all of the channels that traveled far distances, I mean, we had people from Texas. Night Wrencher came from California. Motorsports Garage came from Canada. So it was a pretty awesome event, and now I just need to get some sleep and some rest because I'm tired. So until next time, this is Andy from Unity Motorsports Garage. I'll catch you later.